One day, Buddha was sitting under a tree when suddenly a furious Brahmin priest came to him and started abusing him. The Brahmin priest thought that Gautam Buddha would reciprocate in the same manner, but to his utter surprise, there was not the slightest change in the expressions on his face. So now the Brahmin became more furious. He hurled more and more abuses at Buddha. However, Gautam Buddha was completely unmoved. Actually, there was a look of compassion on his face, and ultimately, the Brahmin was tired of abusing him, and he asked him, "I have been abusing you like anything, but why are you not angry at all?" Gautam Buddha calmly replied, "My dear brother, I have not accepted a single abuse from you, but you heard all of them, didn't you?" The Brahmin argued, and Buddha said, "I do not need the abuses, so why should I even hear them?" Now the Brahmin was even more puzzled. He could not understand the calm reply from Buddha. Looking at his disturbed face, Buddha further explained, "All those abuses remain with you." Brahmin said, "It cannot be possible. I have hurled all of them at you." Buddha replied, "But I have not accepted even a single abuse from you. Dear brother, suppose you give some coins to somebody, and if he does not accept them, with whom will those coins remain?" The Brahmin replied, "If I would give coins to somebody and they would not accept them, then naturally the coins would remain with me." With a meaningful smile on his face, Buddha said, "Now you are right. The same has happened with your abuses. You came here and hurled abuses at me, but I have not accepted a single abuse from you. So there is no reason to be angry with you." The Brahmin remains speechless. He was ashamed of his behavior and begged for Buddha's forgiveness. You see, in life, your inner calmness and your peace are yours, and sometimes, like a bouncer or a security guard, you need to protect your inner calmness and peace of your mind. You choose what would you accept and what you do not accept. Your inner calmness relies solely on your opinion, so don't respond to what people say if it makes you angry. That is the biggest strength of wise men. You were listening GB Motivation World, and to get more videos like this, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed and have a nice day.